Hey friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you the recipe of making bhindi fry. This is also called as okra or lady's finger fry. This recipe is really very easy and everyone's favorite. If you are new to my channel, do share, like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for more notifications. So let's get started. For making the bhindi fry, we need to wash and air dry the bhindis very nicely before making it. Cut it into roundels and keep it aside. Now we are going to heat a pan on low to medium flame. We are going to put some oil in that. So here I have taken some 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Now I am going to put cumin seeds or jeera. So this is only 1 teaspoon. Once this is done, we are going to add some hing or asafoetida. This is really good for digestion. So just saute it for about few seconds. Once this is done, we are going to add some chopped ginger. So you can also add chopped or finely chopped green chilies also, but I am skipping here. So just saute it so that the raw smell will be gone. Now I am going to add 1 cup of finely chopped onions. So once this is sauteed and turns pink, we will add some spices. So just saute it for about 1 to 2 minutes. Now the onions have started to turn pink. Now I am going to add some turmeric powder or haldi in that. So this is 1 teaspoon. Just saute it again. So now you can see the color of the turmeric has been spread nicely. Now we are going to add some bhindi. So this is 2 cups of bhindis. So we have to keep the flame on low to medium only. Just keep on sauteing it. And after this, we need to cover it for about 1 to 2 minutes. So just cover it for about 1 to 2 minutes. And then you can see our bhindi has started to soften up. So now this is looking soft. So just keep on sauteing, otherwise it will stick to the pan. So if you are looking for more such recipes, do check out other videos also. Now I am going to add some salt, so you can add as per your taste. Then saute it again. And now we are going to cook it again for about 5 to 6 minutes on low flame. So keep the flame very low and cook it for about 5 to 6 minutes. Once this is done, we are adding some red chili powder. You can also add coriander powder. And now I am going to add some kasuri methi. And this is optional. If you have kasuri methi, you can add it, otherwise you can skip it. So just saute it for about few more seconds. And this side recipe is really very yummy. You can serve it with roti or Indian bread or some rice. Especially kids, they love it. So do try this recipe. So now this is looking absolutely ready. Now we are going to add some amchur or dry mango powder. This will give a very nice sourness to our bhindis. And just saute it for about few more seconds. And now we are going to garnish it with chopped coriander leaves and some dash of lemon juice. So if you don't have dry mango or amchur powder, then you can only put lime juice or lemon juice. That will be enough. And this bhindi is absolutely ready to serve. So just serve it hot with anything, like rice or roti. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, do share, like and subscribe to my channel. Till then, I'll see you with the next recipe. Till then, bye.